Mandarin Bank advertises 9.5% account that yields 9.84% annually. Okay. Find how often the interest is compounded. So, anong 9.5%? What's that? That's the rate of interest. Ano 9.84%? Ano yan? Effective rate of interest. The 9.84%. Effective rate of interest per year. No? In a year, that's the 9.84%. And the 9.5%, it's the rate of interest. Okay, so what you're going to use here is the ER na formula. ER is equal to effective rate of interest is 1 plus rate of interest all over number of compoundings raised to number of compoundings minus 1. Okay, so your ER again is 9.84%. Can I change na lang to decimal, no? 0.0984 is equal to 1 plus anong R mo? 0.095 o 9.5% divided by the M raised to M then minus 1. Okay? Use shift solve. Ma-shift solve ba sa? Kaya ma-shift solve? Mga pila ka seconds it takes. Dasig lang? Nag-what na yun? 0.095 all over M alpha x, okay, raised to alpha x, no? Minus 1. Shift solve. Uy, naglag. 3.876. Okay, so the nearest is quarterly.